Step 2. If you want to make your C chord, go ahead. Step 1. Step 2. Your thumb moves over to the D string and plucks the D string, okay? C chord. There it is. All right, now I'm gonna leave my chord alone, so it'll sound like this. Okay, but that way you can get a good look at this, which is step 1, thumb and middle finger. Then the thumb moves over to the D string and plucks the D string. Okay? Now this is exactly how I would learn this song if my band were getting up, or if I were doing a solo gig or whatever, and I were to prepare this song. This is exactly how I would go about it, all right? So this is what I want you to do. How long do you do it? You do it until it becomes automatic. See, it's obviously not automatic for me, is it? Okay. Told you. But there's proof. Do I have a metronome around here? Because that's what... Where is my metronome? Okay, anyhow, I'll find my metronome at some point, I hope. Okay. Now remember, keep everybody loose here. You don't want an errant pinky finger there adding strain all the time. Okay? And notice, let's see, any other pointers here? See how my fingers sort of hover? They don't go away. They just hover. Like my two first fingers aren't performing their duty and then running away. I'm kind of keeping everybody in a nice area. Actually, here's an argument for your ring finger, your third finger, kind of just keeping everybody in check nice and lightly on the high E string as sort of a guide or an anchor. Now, I know that classical teachers will, I'm sure the comment section will be like, oh my gosh, don't anchor ever, but okay, let's keep it in mind. Then practice it both ways. There, I'm doing without an anchor. All right, okay. But, to have a little guide or have a friend there, that's okay too. And I'll get into that later. If you don't like the sound of that, and you have some energy in your fretting hand, then okay. And then you go, oh boy, that sounds like the song. Oops. So here's without the anchor. And here's with. All right. Here's without the chord. And how long do you do this? Again, do it as long as you need to do. It's okay. It's okay. I think I have a Joe DiOrio story somewhere in these videos. By the time we're done with this fingerstyle stuff, I'm sure we'll cover a lot of other stories. But that's part 2, okay? Okay? And I know I'm doing it quickly. I'm going really fast here. Please, slow, be slowly. We're looking for accuracy first. Accuracy for accuracy. You know, what's that Billy Joel song? Get it right the first time. That's the main thing. Yeah. Okay. Okay, got that. What's next? That. Okay. Next. Got this. Got that. Got this. Got that. Got this. And that. And this. And that. And this. And that. And this. And that. Even that's fast. If you had a metronome, you go click, 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 click. All right? And then I would increase the metronome and, you know, a little bit faster. Click, 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 click. Okay, I feel pretty good with that. Increase the metronome. Click, 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 click. And on until I'm comfortable and confident. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, I have to start over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There you go. That's how I practice. Okay. Remember, in this video series, it's going to be step 1 to step 2 to step 3, and I'll put all the steps. I respect your time. I will put all the steps in order and up front so you don't have to deal with all my ancillary stuff if you don't want to. However, I think there's a lot of wisdom in there. And perhaps I would. But that's a whole other video. Okay. All right.